answer is, if you have a workload that's appropriate for the cloud, then the cloud is great for you. What does that mean? The cloud is a great place where you can get access to 1 or 1,000 VMs or databases or other services, immediately use them as much as you need to, and then stop using them and pay only for that time that you're using them. If you've got a workload that's appropriate for that, then the cloud makes perfect sense for you. How do I move workloads into the cloud? And I think the best way to answer that is to answer how not to do it, and that is to do what we call lift and shift, which is to take everything that you have in the data center and move it up to the cloud. What makes a lot more sense is to talk to somebody that's familiar with how the cloud works and how the cloud gets billed, and then look for workloads that are appropriate for the way the cloud works. Try them first, because you can get some of the benefits of the cloud, which are things like elasticity and being able to expand and contract how you use things, and also save money at the same time. So that's a good way to start moving things into the cloud and get immediate benefits from the cloud without risking the entire data center.